Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Rainbow Essence Stone in Anime Vanguard. Open your deck builder and find the Essence Stone slot. Attach the Rainbow Essence Stone to a Grade 2 or higher unit, then set its trigger priority and save your deck. Use the stone before a key attack to boost power and abilities, and always test combos in casual matches to confirm results for practice. Start by unlocking Rainbow Essence Stone via the in-game shop or missions, then check its compatibility with your clan and units. Cleanse energy requirements and slot availability before adding the stone. Plan which unit will carry the stone and which combos will benefit most, then practice trigger timings in training mode. Track cooldowns and synergies so you can chain abilities safely during tournaments and casual play for consistent match wins. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future tips. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your ride smelling fresh between sessions, and it pairs with long play nights. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Use the Rainbow Essence Stone on clutch turns when your opponent reveals weakness, then capitalize on its boost to secure damage or key abilities. Coordinate with your other card effects to extend attack chains and protect the carrier unit when needed. Monitor hand size, field presence, and opponent resources to decide timing. Rotate stones across different units across sessions to learn ideal placements and to surprise opponents during ladder and casual games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.